Ladies and gentlemen, our next award tonight is once again a Lifetime Achievement Award. It's for a man who has been one of the greatest batsmen on the cricket field, a man who with his leadership brought a new aggression and a dynamism to Indian cricket and went on to become India's most successful test captain. I think you've all figured out who I'm talking about, but first, let me invite Union Minister Babul Supriyo on stage to give away this award. And this Lifetime Achievement Award tonight goes to Sourav Ganguly. Many, many congratulations, Sourav. It's wonderful to see you here tonight. They call you Prince, they call you Maharaja. Should I call you Your Highness?
You just call me Sourav Ganguly.
Let me get straight to the point. Am I talking to possibly the next chairperson of the Indian Cricket Board, the head of the next head of the BCCI?
I really don't know. I've just started a career. I don't know where it'll go and where it'll finish.
So you don't rule it out?
I don't rule anything out in life, and I don't look too far forward either.
You're also on the Cricket Board's advisory team to pick the next coach for Team India. Is that a job that should go to Sourav Ganguly as well, or he could be considered for?
Well, to be honest, I don't know whether it exists at all, the committee yet. And I think the team's doing well, so maybe we'll have to think about it later.
But would you be interested in coaching Team India?
I really don't know, because I've got another job to do at the moment. I am actually running the cricket. You can't do both at a time, and we'll have to see where life goes. At the present moment, no, because I'm an administrator and the responsibilities of running the game.
So nothing's ruled out, not coaching and not heading the BCCI?
Well, you don't know, as you say, it's too far in life. And I live for the day and I live for the moment. I'll try and do the job which I'm doing at the moment to the best of my abilities and see what happens.
Well, Babul Supriyo, we all know what a big star Sourav Ganguly is all over the world, but he's particularly a big star in Bengal. Just give us a sense of just how crazy people get when they see him there.
Well, you all have your names as proper nouns, but very few actually grow up to make their names adjectives. Like this guy is playing like Sourav Ganguly. So that in that particular English sentence, that particular name is being used as an adjective. The Amitabh Bachchan, you say that. He's one of those guys, people call him in Kolkata, the. And when you say the in a Bengali way, he has three the's. It's the. So I think that in itself is it's a great compliment. And I think that when you have, such great people who have achieved so much in life, I think in the front row we see two Amitabhs. I don't know why, sir, your surname is Kant. I think we see both Amitabhs who have made that Kant into can. So it's Amitav can and did it. That's Amitav Kant who actually did. And here we have the who has actually redefined batting. And I think the best compliment that explains him all over the world is what Rahul Dravid said, is that on the offside is first God and second Sourav Ganguly. And that really stands true. I think that stands tall for him as well.
But, as I mentioned, Sourav Ganguly, of course, you are famous for introducing that sort of new aggressive, Indian cricket team to introduce that attitude. And MS Dhoni, in a sense, exemplifies that today. When you see him getting criticized for the way the Indian team did in the one-dayers in Australia, for instance, right now, although we did so well in the T20 series, do you think that's fair, the criticism he gets?
Yeah, but that's part and parcel of the job. And I think MS, for such a long time, he's been captain of India. He's used to it. We all get used to it. We know that when we don't do well, we'll be criticized. But at the same time, when we do well, we're taken up to the mountains and to the sky. So we've learned to live with that. And I think MS has got this fantastic personality of remaining calm under any situation. A lot of people have asked me that you've played with him. How does he remain so calm? I said he doesn't show it. From inside is different, from outside is different, and that's a great quality of a captain. It's a thing which keeps going around in the dressing room and the players. And I think he's been a great servant of the game. I think he gets a lot of respect. We only look at the criticism, but I think the amount of respect he gets in India is unbelievable.
And finally, Are you going to write an autobiography? I once read that you said when it comes out, there'll be tremors felt in many places.
I just said it jokingly. And I don't know, we got to find time to do autobiography because I do too many jobs at the moment. I do honorary jobs and I have to earn my living as well. So hopefully someday I'll find some time and start.
Lovely to talk to you, Saurav Ganguly. Babul Supriyo, thanks.
The Bengali, let me get there for a second. He has made all Bengalis feel extremely proud. Khub bhalo. We're very, very proud for you. And many of our Bengalis have been Sunil Gavaskar fans. And, you know, we never had to shift our loyalties because they both have the same initials, SG and SG. So remain like that. God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.